For problem number 27, I want to refer to this again. We notice that already our equation is in the template form. So this is our template form here. Log base something of something else equals a number. So we have a base, we have an argument, and we have a number. That's exactly what we have here. When we have that, we want to go ahead and convert to exponent form or exponential form of the same equation. Same equation, but we're just writing it in exponent form. And then we want to go ahead and solve for our variable, and notice that e to the 8th, we're not really sure what e to the 8th is, nor do we care. We're going to leave it in terms of e. So we have e to the 8th minus 3 is equal to 2 times m, and we're going to go ahead and divide both sides by 2, and what that does is it gets m by itself, which is our ultimate goal. When we are solving equations, we want to get the variable by itself, and so we did that. Just making sure that if we plug that big number back in for m, we'd be okay. E to the 8th is a huge number. Minus 3 over 2, clearly that would be a positive number. So putting a positive number in for m, multiplying it by a positive number, and adding another positive number, we're good. So we're allowed to plug that back in for m. I'll go ahead and keep going here. Number 31, we see we have an exponential equation now, and the question is, do we use logs or do we just equate the exponents? Well, notice that e and 12 cannot be written as the power of the same number. So we're going to have to convert to log form, and converting to log form means that we take the log of that base of 12 is equal to 2x. Now, when we write log of e, log base e, we can rewrite that as ln. So that's what it means. ln of 12 equals 2x. And if ln of 12 equals 2x, ln of 12 is just a number. And since we want to get x by itself, we're going to go ahead and divide both sides by 2. And we're going to write that as ln of 12 over 2. Now, technically, we could write that as 1/2 ln 12. So here's another way that you can write it. You might see it like this. 1/2 ln 12, and then 1/2. We move to the exponent position, so we can have ln of 12 to the 1/2, which also could be written as ln of radical 12. So we could write it in any of these ways. I'm fine any one of these, getting x by itself. This one, you have to know that you can rewrite this as ln of radical 12, because sometimes you might get on a multiple choice test, that might be an option. So you still have to know how to get to there once you get ln of 12 over 2.